Hello children, good morning. Hope you are good at home. And today we are going to start the remaining part of the lesson. Already we have started yesterday. What is the lesson name? Seventh lesson. Our planet, the Earth. So see here children, today we are going to see the movements of the Earth. So what are the movements of the Earth? You know already. So the Earth is moving all the time. We do not feel this movement of the Earth has we do not feel that earth will have movements, but earth will be moving all the time. So earth has two movements. What are there here? Rotation, revolution. The earth moves in two different ways: rotation, revolution. See here, the earth spins on its own axis like a top all the time. So that is nothing but rotation. So it is also slightly tilted to one side. The earth spins. The earth spins on its own axis. The earth axis is imaginary. The earth axis is imaginary. So see here. So that rotates on its own axis. Are you seeing? Next. So its axis is an imaginary line between North Pole and the South Pole. The axis is tilted or not. Observe here. The axis is tilted. Next, the Earth takes 24 hours to complete full circle, that is a day. So it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. 24 hours means a day. So that's why rotation causes day and night. Half of the Earth faces the sun and other half is away from the sun. So the part of the Earth facing the sun receives sunlight and has daytime. The other half, which is away from the sun, is in darkness and has nighttime. So rotation causes day and night. One day and one night together equals 24 hours. 24 hours. So see here. So rotation of the earth every 24 hours causes day and night. It is a day on the side of the earth where the sun shines. On the other side of the earth is night. So rotation seen from north pole is anti-clockwise. Okay. So rotation which is seen from north pole is anti-clockwise. That is from west to east. From west to east. Next. Up to here have you understood what is meant by rotation? Yes, that's why so sun rises in the east. Okay. Next, coming to revolution. So the earth revolves around the sun. The earth not only rotates on its axis, it also moves around the sun in a fixed path that is only called orbit. So movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. So for revolution, the earth takes 365 days, 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution. That means 365 days means a year. A year. Understood? Revolution of the earth. That's why it causes seasons. Causes seasons. So you know what are the 5 seasons? Yes. Summer, winter, spring, autumn, rainy season. Okay. Three factors causes the seasons. Revolution of the earth around the sun. And the tilt of the earth's axis of the rotation respects to the planet of this one. Epic. Understood? So that's why you need to remember only 2 points. The earth not only rotates on its axis, it also moves around the sun. That is called only in a fixed path called orbit. That movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. And revolution takes 365 days. Earth takes 1 year. That means 365 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution around the sun. That's why revolution of the earth causes seasons. It causes seasons. Next, coming to the this is about movements of the earth. How many movements of the earth are there? Two movements. What are they? Rotation and revolution. Rotation is nothing but the earth spins on its own axis like a top all the time. Understood? So the movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation, and earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That's why rotation causes day and night. Next, the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path called orbit is called revolution. And earth takes 365 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution. That is nothing but it takes 1 year to complete one revolution. So revolution of that causes seasons. Next, coming to the next topic is our environment. In this only, in this chapter, next concept is our environment. So how we are spoiling our environment? How we are spoiling our environment? Do you have any idea? You have any idea how we are spoiling our environment? Yes, air, water, plant, animals. These are all we live in all form a plant part of our environment. But we are facing so many problems by spoiling our environment. With us only environment is getting spoiled through air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. These are some of the major causes the human beings are polluting the environment, isn't it? How this air pollution occurs, that is nothing but see here noise pollution and smoke, which used to tobacco smoke. This will cause the air pollution, isn't it? So accumulation in the atmosphere of substances that is nothing but some of the chemicals which are released by industries and some vehicles noises. Vehicles also produce air pollution, so much of air pollution, and somebody will have the smoking. Through that also air gets polluted. That is called air pollution. So next, factories pollute the air. Factories pollute the air. Next, and we know nowadays it's a current topic is cutting trees in large numbers is harmful for our environment. That is called cutting trees is called deforestation. Understood. The use of pesticides and insecticides on crops also harmful in agriculture. They can get inside our body when we eat them, isn't it? Directly we'll eat raw fruits only. With that, these pesticides will go inside. Then which are harmful for us, isn't it? Chemical spray. Due to this chemical spray for the in agriculture, they used to uh, nowadays they are using chemical spray in order to avoid these insecticides, pesticides. These are making our crops very harmful. Next, polluting water bodies. How these water bodies are polluted. Next, coming to the water pollution. You have any idea about water pollution? See, these are the exhaust gases of vehicles which causes air pollution. Next, coming to the water pollution. See, water also polluted. These industrial waste materials are thrown in the form of water. Are you seeing here water pollution also? Okay, we are getting industrial effluents and to some mining and agricultural waste. These are nothing but water pollution. And some of the in villages what they used to see here, sewage disposal and domestic waste. This is also one of the cause. Throwing trash and plastic bags in drains can block them. Understood. And burning wood and trees also pollute the air. Next, land pollution. See here, we are throwing waste not in dustbins, somewhere else. This gets land polluted, isn't it? So we need to not litter outside. We need to use dustbins properly. And what are the control measures we need to take? How to help save the environment? That is nothing but bring your own paper or cloth bags to the supermarket and recycle all you can. Avoid using disposable items. Okay, and you need to plant a tree, not cut the trees. Reduce garbage. These are some suggestions to save our planet. And conserve water, conserve energy, grow more trees, recycle the wastage, ban the polythene covers, use renewable resources. Understood? Some of the some of the members can ask, how can you save our earth? I will conserve water, use paper or jute bags instead of polythene, won't use of vehicles also for small distances. This is very important. Dispose the solid waste properly, and we need to use these 3 R's management: recycle, reduce, and reuse the paper and plastic, and grow more trees. Grow more trees. Understood? These are some we can save our environment without uh, without causing any type of pollution, either air pollution, water pollution, or soil pollution. So hope you have understood this lesson properly. Okay. Apply this your lesson, and tomorrow we'll see the reading part of the lesson, children. Thank you.